Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar, LinkedIn growth specialist and trainer. I provide one-on-one LinkedIn training and coaching services, and I also provide automation tool sessions. Dripify just got a major makeover. The new redesigned user interface is smoother, faster, and packed with features that make LinkedIn automation easier than ever. In this video, I will show you how to set up automation campaign and explain why this update is game changer for lead generation on LinkedIn. And now you can see that this is the old version of Dripify and now this is a new version of Dripify. And from here you can check the what's the new in Dripify and now you can see that. Some changes is made by Dripify. Now you can see that big news, Dripify fresh new look is live and now you can see that. Changes to team tab management and now you can see that. And export team member data with ease. And changes to invite by email because invite by email response rate is very low. So it's a good step. They remove the invite by email, and because invite by email is counted as a regular connection, so that is why it's a good move. They remove the invite by email and add the connection. A new feature announcement, send email, it's a good step. And now scrub unnecessary information from profile names. And now it also increased the daily limit for sending connection request. And now different more things. And simple, this is a dashboard of a new Dripify and now you can see that. And if you want to learn more about here, you just need to click on view more, and from here you can check it total send the invites, accepted invites, and from here you can check the yesterday work, 2-day work, 7 days, and you can also export in CSV file. It also has a campaign and now you can see that inbox, leads, theme, and settings. So everything is the same. User interface will be changed and they increase the connection request limits. And now I will show you how you can run campaign with the help of Sales Navigator or with the help of LinkedIn basic search. So different options are available. I will explore one by one so we totally understand. First of all, if we need to run a campaign, we just need to click on campaign, and after this we just need to click on new campaign, and here we just need to click on add leads, and after this different options are available. If you are using a LinkedIn basic search, means if you are not using a LinkedIn Sales Navigator Recruiter, so you are not using a premium account, then LinkedIn basic search. And if you are using a Sales Navigator, you just need to click on Sales Navigator. If you are using a recruiter, you just need to click on recruiter. And if you want to invite the event members, you just need to click here, and this is a group member connection request or message. This is a coming soon. And if you want to send message to your first degree connection, you just need to click on my network. And if you want to upload the CSV file of your target audience, from here you can also upload, and simply you can also manually paste the URL of your target audience. So for example, you are using a LinkedIn basic search, you just need to click on LinkedIn basic search and then click on next. And after this you just need to paste the URL of your target audience. For example, this is your target audience URL. You just need to copy and then paste here. Keep in mind, if you are using a LinkedIn basic search, Dripify only pick 1000, and if you are using a Sales Navigator, it will only pick a 2400 and something. And now you can see that. And if you want to custom, and from here you just need to write here that if you want a 500, 300, so it's a custom rate. And if you want to select all the maximum level, you just need to click on add maximum profile, and after this you just need to click on next. And here you just need to give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just giving here the testing. And after this you just need to click on next. And here different ready-made templates are available. If you want a lead generation, you can also use this one, endorsement skill and extra profile views. You can use all these templates according to your requirement, but in this video I will show you how you can create a new template. You just need to click on custom campaign, and now you can see that. And from here, if you want to send a connection request campaign, simply you just need to click on connection request. And now there is a two scenario: if your connection request is accepted, right hand side, and if your connection request is not accepted, left hand side. And after one day, you can put here endorsement skill, view profile, like post according to your requirement. For example, I am just picking here the endorsement skill, and after this I am just picking here the like post, and after this I am just putting here the message. And different placeholders are available. Now you can see that first name, last name, position and company and country, and different more placeholders are available. You can use according to your requirement. For example, I just put here the message, and after this you just need to click on save. And now there is a two scenario. In case if your connection request is not accepted, if your connection request is not accepted, you can also run here the email campaign. And now you just need to put here the subject line of email. For example, I am just writing here the testing. You can use according to your requirement. And after this, if your email is not accepted, you can add more function here. For example, I'm just putting here the like post and then end the sequence. And in case if my email is accepted, I can put here the more actions like a post, view profile, and again message. So different actions are available. You can use according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied with your campaign sequence, you just need to click on end sequence. And after this you just need to click on next, and here you just give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just writing here the testing. And if you want to push the data in zipper, so you just need to click on webhook and attach the zipper with Dripify. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on save and launch. And now your campaign is running. And from here, if you want to delete your campaign, simply you just need to click on remove campaign. And if you want unactive this campaign, from here you can also active and unactive this campaign. And now I will show you how you can send email campaign. Simply you just need to click on new campaign, and after this you just need to click on add leads. And if you are using a sales navigator, you just need to click on LinkedIn sales navigator. And after this, just put the data from your sales navigator. For example, you are satisfied with this data, and you just need to copy this data and then paste here. And after this you just need to click on next, and here give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just writing here the testing 2, and then create campaign. And after this you just need to click on next, and different templates are available. You can use according to your requirement, but this time I will make a custom campaign. And from here you just need to click on email campaign, and from here automatically just Dripify select the option if email is available. If email is available, and from here you just need to write the message. For example, I'm just writing here and then paste here. And after this you just need to write here the subject line of the email. For example, I'm just writing here the testing. And after this you just need to scroll down this page and then just click on save. And after this, if you want to add more actions like a message, like a again email, like post, so different stuff you can do according to your requirement. So once you are satisfied, and then you just need to click on end sequence from both sides, and then just click on next. And after this you just need to write the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just writing here the testing 2. And once you are satisfied, then just click on save and launch. And now your email campaign is running. Now I will show you how you can export lead from Dripify. Simply you just need to click on leads, and after this you just need to select the targeted lead according to your requirement, and you can also select all. It's totally dependent on you. And once you are satisfied, if you want to select all, you just need to click on all, and then you just need to click on export, and it will provide you a CSV file. And then if you want to run a campaign, simply you just need to click on campaign, and then just need to click on new campaign, and after this you just need to click on add leads. And after this, if you want to run a campaign with the help of CSV file, simply you just need to click on CSV file, and from here you can also pick the CSV file. For example, I'm just picking here this one, and then just click on next and give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just writing here the testing CSV, and after this you just need to click on next, and from here we will just need to make a custom campaign. And if you want to run an email campaign, simply if the profile or if the email is available, because I am sending a free email, that is why I am just selecting here the free open profile. And after this I am just sending the email and give here the message about your email. For example, I am just writing here the testing, and after this just click on save, and from here you can add more action according to your requirement. For example, view profile, you can also add here like post. It totally depends on you according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, and then just click on end sequence, and then just click on next and give the name of the campaign. For example, I'm just giving the name of the campaign, and then just click on save and launch. So in this way your campaign is running. And now I will show you some settings. You just need to click on settings, and from here some limits and activity control. You can set connection requests according to your requirement, but according to my experience, just keep it below the 40 connection requests per day. And you can also set working hours according to your requirement, and now you can see that you can also off Saturday and Sunday. It's totally depend on you. And here is some sequence templates are available, and you can use these template too. And these are data scrubber, and now you can see that if you want to eliminate something, so you can write here, and in this way you can scrubber the data. And different more things are available. And now in a dashboard and campaign, you already know how to run a campaign. And now if you don't like the new version of Dripify, simply you just need to click on switch back here, and now you can see that in just a few seconds you can get your old version. And if you would like a new version, you just need to click on switch new. And now you can see that this is a new version. From your right hand side, now you can see the recent activity, Dripify send connection request message or different stuff from here. And here is your pending connection request. If you want to withdraw from here, you can also withdraw. For example, you want to withdraw 10 connection requests, recent or older. I am just withdrawing the older, and now you can see that. And here is your profile views, and it's increasing now, and here is your unread messages. So hope you understand how to use Dripify. If you have any question related to this, so please let me know. I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.